Hello children, my name is Alok Ghosh. In this video, I am continuing the topic pollution of air and water. This is chapter number 18 from class 8 NCERT science book. So now let's start. So in the previous video, I have discussed about water pollution. Okay, what is water pollution? Water pollution is nothing but when the water get contaminated by few substances or chemicals, so we call it as water pollution. How water get contaminated? By water pollutant. Okay, so what are water pollutant? Water pollutant are the substances which are responsible for polluting the water. Okay. Also, in my previous video, I have discussed little bit about how water get polluted. Means what are the different factors which are responsible for the polluting of the air. In this video, I will continue with these factors. So now let's start. So the first factor which is responsible for polluting water is industrialization. Okay, industries. Industrial waste. So guys, as we have seen that nowadays there are lots of industries were set up. Okay, means daily we are listening that more and more industries were starting. So the side effect of this industrialization, although this industrialization has given human a complete different type of life. Nowadays, we humans are economically strong, but before this industrialization, we are not that much economically strong. But there is also a dark side of this industrialization is that industries are creating lot of waste which is polluting water, air, noise pollution, sound pollution. Okay, so lots of pollution is being given by this industry. So industrial waste, like in my previous video I have said you that mainly industries were set up near rivers, and the main reason is that this river are able or are used, means the water of this river were used to remove the wastage of industry. So guys, within our industry, as there are different types of industries which are producing different types of products, so there are different types of wastage are also produced, like different types of harmful chemicals is produced, which is waste material of that industry. These chemicals were removed from this industry with the help of water. Okay, these chemicals were thrown into the river where water receives, means water within the river receives these chemicals, and by this way water is getting polluted. So by these chemicals, as these chemicals is very harmful in nature and generally these are not biodegradable, so this contaminates the water, as a result of which the life underwater get affected, and also the humans or plants who are using this water, so our health also get affected from this industrial waste. Okay. Now the another factor of water pollution is that we human used to dispose the waste material which were produced by us into river. So by this mean also water is getting polluted, because in our daily day-to-day life we use a lot of garbage or waste material, and this waste material also contain many types of different types of harmful chemicals which also affects or pollutes the water. Okay. Then the thing like smoke, since smoke is having different type of gases and particles, so after some time when this smoke gets settled down, or the particles of smoke get settled down, so it also comes and falls into the water, and by this means water get polluted. So smoke is another factor. Okay. Waste material or garbage. Sorry. The another factor which is responsible for water pollution or contaminating water is we human used to bath ourselves or our animals into water. So while we bath, we use water shampoos, which are also another factor which affects which pollutes the water. Then when we wash clothes, so we use washing powder. We mix this washing powder with water and wash our clothes, and after that we throw this water. So by this means also water get polluted. Washing powder and bar. So these are the few factors, although there are a lot of different factors depending upon which water get polluted. But so there were few factors about which I have discussed you, which are mainly responsible for contaminating water. So now, how should we control this water pollution? How to control water pollution? So water pollution, since water is very important for our life, so the control of water pollution is very important for us. So what are the ways by which we can control water pollution? First way is recycling the water, reusing the water. By this means we can reduce water pollution. Means in home we are using water for many purposes, and generally for one purpose we use water and then we throw this water. But if we store those all water and use for some other purpose, so by this way we can reuse the water and can reduce water pollution. Okay. Recycling is also another important factor, since there are lots of recycling plants are also there. Over there, water which were used is collected and were recycled, and again this water is ready to use. So these are few factors depending upon which water pollution is being controlled. So in this video, I have discussed about what are the causes of air water pollution and what are the facts using which we can control water pollution. Thank you.